But that wasn't the only crazy thing that happened. Girl, listen to this mess. Oh, so we finally got the shampoo, huh? Listen, I cannot wait to do this review. Oh, no. I'm gonna be doing the review. My channel, my review. Oh, this is your channel? Yeah. You know who's in charge. In charge of your... Of course. Of course. Okay, so let's get this review going. Now, if you guys know anything about me, you guys know I love this product line, so I am expecting moisture, cleansing, and whatever magical stuff that they threw into this bottle. So, without any further ado, let's get to this review. Where'd the bottle go?
Yeah.
Yes, girl, tell me all about this shampoo.
First, after putting my hair into 4 sections, I just apply the shampoo like normal onto my scalp. The shampoo has a thick texture which reminds me of molasses, and I can mostly smell the tea tree and the peppermint oils, which I loved. So as I mentioned, I felt like this was a clarifying shampoo, so I just applied it to my roots and worked it down the length of my hair. I did try applying it directly to my strands and noticed that my hair felt tangled and stripped. So I later realized that it says right on the bottle to massage it onto your scalp and then take the excess and then work it through the rest of your hair. Yeah, my bad, I missed that part. But that wasn't the only crazy thing that happened. Girl, listen to this mess. Riley, you got my shampoo? No, I don't have your shampoo. I got my shampoo. Look, I got a deadline for this video. The producers are gonna kill me if I'm late again. All right, fine. Come get it. Play too much. You dropped it in the toilet? Girl, this nut dropped it into the toilet. No, the cap wasn't even on all the way.
Oh, no.
Before the bottle met its untimely demise, my hair felt squeaky clean and honestly a bit stripped. But it wasn't too bad. I had to keep in mind that this is a clarifying shampoo, so it's to be expected. A deep conditioning treatment should have been all that I need. So I go to sit under the dryer, and girl, if I could have made this dryer any louder, I would have. Every time I try to do something, I can't believe this is all your fault. Oh, so it's my fault you're clumsy? I have been on the phone for 20 minutes with the mail carrier trying to get another bottle expedited. You have gotten me in so much trouble, Riley. You got yourself in trouble, Butterfingers. Corny ass jokes. Oh, finally.
All of our representatives are currently busy.
Oh my God.
Please stay on the line. And your call.
Yeah, so now that I washed out my deep conditioner, like my hair feels so much better. I was a little bit worried because it felt stripped, but I think you just need to add your deep conditioner because that's what it's for, right?
Right. Hey, but how long did it take to ship?
Shipping only took like 3 days. Oh, no. I got a video to make. I need it sooner than that. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. Gym Naturals? Oh, you never heard of it? Yeah, you'll be just fine. Just remember to replenish your hair, but that's with any shampoo, you know? As long as you know what to do, have your deep conditioner ready, you will not have a single problem. I have a big You know what? Let me speak to your manager. Oh, you are the manager. Yeah, it should be smooth sailing. You know what? This is a great shampoo for when you have like a ton of product on your hair that you want to get off, because this is super cleansing. Hold on. First of all, who is Karen? Yeah, girl. I mean, you should try it.
You got that discount for me?
No, I don't have no discount for. Girl, if you gonna go try the shampoo,
You paid for it with your own money?
Yes, I had to pay for it myself.
You lying.
Yeah.
Yes, I'll hold again.
Hey, hold on. Let me call you back.
Okay, liar.
Any luck with the whole expedited bottle? I guess you could say your review went down the drain, huh? Oh, forget you. That's funny.
All of our representatives are currently busy. Please stay on the line, and your call will be answered by the next available representative. The estimated hold time is currently less than 96 minutes. You are currently caller number 32, waiting to speak with a representative. Thank you for your patience.